Welcome to the BHIM SBI Pay Merchant tutorial. Download BHIM SBI app from the Google Play Store. Select Business for Merchant and click on Continue. After selecting the Merchant tab, select the SIM which is registered with the SBI account to initialize the registration process and press Continue. There are three types of merchants like Existing Merchant who has SBI QR code, New Merchant who is SBI customer but does not have SBI QR code, and Merchant with pre-printed QR code can be onboarded on BHIM SBI Pay. Now we will take you through the existing merchant registration process. Do you have SBI QR code? If yes, please select SIM registered with your SBI account and click Continue. Please link your account number or VPA in the screen. Please enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number. Please verify your account details displayed on the next screen and accept the terms and conditions to proceed further. Please set your 6 digits app PIN to access your profile. Enter your alternate mobile number, which is mandatory. You have successfully registered with BHIM SBI Pay Merchant. Welcome to Nation's Revolutionary Platform UPI. Click Continue to log in with your app PIN. Now we will take you through the new merchant registration process. If you do not have SBI QR code, select the new merchant. Please link your account number in this screen. Please enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number. Please verify your account details displayed on the next screen and accept the terms and conditions to proceed further. Please select a suggested VPA or set your own VPA. Please set your 6 digits app PIN to access your profile. Enter your alternate mobile number, which is mandatory. You have successfully registered with BHIM SBI Pay Merchant. Welcome to Nation's Revolutionary Platform UPI. Click Continue to log in with your app PIN. Now we will explain the various features of BHIM SBI Merchant. Please enter your 6-digit app PIN to log in. On login, you can see your QR, VPA and transaction details of today. Enlarge the QR code by clicking on it, which can be saved and shared with anyone for collecting money. Whenever a customer transacts, you will receive an app notification on real-time basis. On clicking the notification in the notification bar on the device, you will get a full-screen notification consisting of the transaction details. On clicking each name, you will get the details of transaction like transaction ID, customer name, amount and date of transaction. The app even allows you to search the transaction with name, transaction number, account number, as well as mobile number. Check your profile details by clicking on View Profile in the menu. Update the settlement frequency and select MIS statement frequency on the profile page. By default, settlement is being done on T+0. However, if you want, you can choose T+1 basis. Adding, viewing and deleting of your sub-agent is just at your fingertip. The merchant can manually add a new sub-agent by adding the name and mobile number of the sub-agent. The main merchant will have to validate the OTP received on the sub-agent's mobile number. QR code and VPA will be generated on successful validation. Your sub-agent can also download and use the BHIM SBI Pay Merchant tab for transactions monitoring with view rights. Enlarge the QR code of the sub-agent by clicking on it, which can be saved and shared with anyone for collecting money. View the list of active sub-agents in the Agent tab. On clicking the name of the agent, the merchant gets an option to view the MIS of the individual sub-agent and can even deactivate or delete the sub-agent. Get the MIS reports of individual agents by clicking the Show Transaction Report. The reports of each sub-agent can be generated on daily basis, monthly basis and custom dates or month as desired. The app even allows to search the transaction with name, transaction number, account number as well as mobile number. The MIS reports of the desired period can be viewed, shared via email or downloaded as Excel on real-time basis. Generate the dynamic QR code by clicking on the Generate Dynamic QR Code in the menu list. Enter bill amount. Click Generate QR code and show the dynamic QR code to the customer to receive the payment. The app allows you to order physical QR code by going to the Order Physical QR tab in the menu list. The physical QR code can be delivered on the registered address or a new address for delivery can be added manually. The merchant can change his business activity by going to the Change the Business tab in the menu list. Sub-merchant can also register on the app to view MIS details generate dynamic QR code, and other benefits by downloading the BHIM SBI Pay app. Thank you. Namaste.